Just north of Bemidji, this property isn't just a home, it's over 80 acres of space to spread out and enjoy. The home features 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, an attached 2-stall garage, plus you've got a massive 40 by 60 shed for all of your toys, tools, and plenty of extra space. Whether you want space for hobbies, storage, hunting, or just total privacy, this one sure does check all of the boxes. But I think that's enough talking about the property. I think it's time to take a tour. There sure is a lot to love about this place. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.